Good morning. I'm going to attempt to do one of those wrapping a gift as something else. So I thought, I can do a fish. That'll be easy enough. I have this plain cardboard, and then I have this, which is like the thin. It's a little thinner, but it should work. So I thought I would just kind of draw it out. Let's do. Is that too big? And then just like a preschool drawing fish. Nothing fancy, right? Something like this. Now see, you can get two pieces like that and just kind of just put the other one over and just tape it and then wrap it. So I got my dad the new iWatch because his old one died. And his old one was, I don't even know how old it was because I got it for him when I used to work at my previous job, which is 3-4 years ago. And I forgot which series it was. It was so long ago. So I think this will work. It might not be even, but it'll work. It's going to be wrapped anyway, so it doesn't have to be totally symmetrical, or not symmetrical, but it doesn't have to be totally perfect. All right, so let's cut this out. So I'll cut this out and then I'll use this to trace on the other thing. So I'm just going to put some tape and just to secure it a little better. So put it right in the middle. I figure it doesn't have to be perfect. Just put some tape on the other side. That didn't totally line up on this side, but it should be fine when I put wrapping paper on it. There's a little gap right here. Should I? What can I do? Should I patch that up? is going to bug me, but can't do nothing about that. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.